Hi there and welcome. Today we're exploring the Yaliuliu 24 pack of 12 by 12 inch basswood sheets. Perfect for all your crafting needs. Made from premium basswood plywood, these sheets offer a smooth, sturdy surface ideal for laser cutting, wood burning, and model carving. Each sheet is lightweight yet durable, resisting warping or bending, making them great for beginners and experts alike. With endless creative possibilities, you can use them for painting, engraving, architectural models, or even seasonal decorations. The flat, paintable surface lets you customize each piece to your liking with ease. Plus, these sheets come carefully packaged to ensure quality and satisfaction for every project. Unleash your creativity and bring your DIY ideas to life with these versatile basswood sheets. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.